Hello everyone, so this is day 24 March 2024. So today's Leetcode question is find the duplicate number. So here we are given with a list and we have to find the repeating number or the duplicate number, and it is also mentioned that only one repeating number or exists in a list. So we have used a simple logic, that is hash table. We are storing the frequency of a number in hash table, and if any number exists more than one time, that is the frequency of any number is more than one, then it is repeating or it is the duplicate. And simply just taking n as the length of the nums and initializing with 0 elements of n length list, and we are storing hashtag of nums of I as +1, that is nums of I index of hashtag will be incremented by 1. So at every distinct value of nums, the hashtag will increase by 1, and whenever the same numbers of same value of nums exist, then hashtag of that index will now again increment by 1. So we will return this nums of I which is more than one time as the duplicate number. So this is my submission, which beats 98% of Python users. Thank you.